welcome back to another video.
Welcome back.
Up in the canyons today.
Yep, hope you guys enjoy this.
Woo!
Let's get into it. Oh, I missed that one.
Bummer. I had a good shot.
Third gear.
Woo! Snap.
What are you gonna shift?
I don't need that shit.
Let me know.
Yeah.
It is really hard to record right now. Dang it.
Oh my god. Like, uh-oh.
Oh, just sticky.
Oh no. It's stuck. Minor mishap. Got stuck in gear.
Jeez.
I messed up the ship inside again.
It's so hard to get the shot. You're locked in.
Oh, well, I'm trying to keep us alive.
Jeez. Y'all can't tell, but real life, this is freaking wild.
brake, check everything, make sure everything's okay.
Jeez.
Oh, made it on top.
So cloudy today. I don't know if y'all can tell, but that was fun.
Woo! Not even halfway there yet.
I know, goodness.
You want to get a shot of me going around here?
Sure.
Yeah.
Super chasing Gerard.
Good?
Oh, it's raining.
It's just the fog.
Oh. It's okay, guys. We're on inters. Warm up the tires.
So thick fog. We gotta get above it.
So Max, how's the visibility?
Very hard to see anything.
Very hard to see anything.
Oh, I can't see a thing.
Just slow down. Got better?
Yeah, a lot better now. You can actually see the road.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll find another turnout here.
Yeah.
Here's the big turnout.
All right, guys, we made it to the.
Top-ish.
It's the first checkpoint.
Yep. It's also super foggy,
Yeah.
so it's hard to see anything. Honestly, I'm a little dizzy. Being in the passenger seat, holding a camera, do not recommend.
Man, the car feels so good with those new tires. It's a whole different ball game from any other car I've ever driven. I had a Genesis 3.8 track. Beautiful car, it was great, but the Corvette's a whole different level. It just feels so planted. It feels good.
And it's crazy because as we were driving, I don't know if you can hear it from the audio, but you can hear the rocks getting kicked up in like the rear wheel well, and it just like sounds like a bunch of rocks.
Yeah, I feel bad
so
for anyone
sticky.
behind. You get a
a
bunch
lot
of
of
rocks
fun.
on your windshield. It's been super fun. Just got a little too foggy, so a little scary to keep going too much.
And hey, comment down below if you like the POV shot. We tried using our iPhones. We don't really have GoPros just yet, but. And what's up next for mods? First thing is we definitely need Apple CarPlay in this car, so
Yeah.
it's a bit more dailyable. Gerard does dailyless every day, and I think it'd be really good if he has Apple CarPlay. Speakers are already amazing in this car, but he just needs that modernization inside, so that'd be a big help for his daily
quality of life.
quality of life as a Corvette daily and doing all that.
And I want to start doing a lot more cosmetic mods because we got a lot of the tuning, the exhaust, maybe a little louder, but I definitely want to get a lot more cosmetic mods for the car.
Yeah, comment down below. Should we get rid of the Borla exhaust? Just
Yeah.
full loud, or?
Yeah, just go no muffler, get a Corsa, call it a day.
It'd be a lot of fun. Sounds
Yeah, we'll
super
see.
good.
Comment down below if you guys want to make it, hear it go louder, you know?
Donut time?
Yeah.
Donut time. Should I go back down?
Let's go.
Let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Had a ton of fun. Ton of fun. I think it's my first time being up in the canyons. I don't have a fast car, so that's my first time. Hopefully we can go to the track one day. That will be the goal.
Yes, that is the goal.
Peace.